AI Make Money Fiverr. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to Fiverr.com and sign up using your Gmail account. Once you're in, click this Switch to Selling button, and you'll be taken to your seller dashboard. From there, click My Business and select the Gigs option. Now it's time to create your AI art gig. Fill out your gig overview and make sure it clearly explains what service you offer. Set your pricing, delivery time, and the type of service you're providing. Write a brief but engaging description that lets buyers know exactly what they'll get. You can also add a few questions to better understand your buyer's needs. Don't forget to upload a strong portfolio to showcase your best work. Once everything's set, publish your gig. It's now live. When you get an order, generate the AI image using your favorite tool. I personally use DALL-E, and for example, I might use a prompt like fantasy jungle, dim light, glowing plants, ancient ruins, mystical fog. After you deliver the image, you'll get paid directly on Fiverr. Good luck on your journey as an AI artist.